Hi, I'm Danny. In today's video, I'll be installing an evaporator and expansion valve in my 2009 Honda Civic. I replaced the expansion valve due to high vent outlet temperature. The expansion valve is actually the one responsible for metering the Freon, and it can get plugged or lose efficiency over time. This is part 2, the installation. Part 1, the disassembly. If you haven't watched that video, I suggest you watch it first. I'll link it up here and at the end of the video. Let's get started. All right, so let's put this evaporator in. I put a little piece of tape over here just so no dirt would fall in there. So let's get this installed. Remember, it came out really easy. There it goes. It's gonna go in really easy too. Perfect. Let's pull this little bit of tape off here. So our next thing we need to put on is the evaporator cover. This is the one that had all these screws in the hidden one. So that hidden one, oh, the hidden one's right here. And that was at the top. So it looks like it'll go this way. Yep, that way. Came out up here, there's a little slot for it. Right there. There it is. That worked out perfect. So if you have a magnet for that hidden screw, it's a lot easier if you put it on the magnet, put it in the hole, find the spot, turn it a couple of times, and it'll catch. And when you pull the magnet out, the screw's gonna be in there. And then it's just a matter of getting your screwdriver back in there and tightening that screw up. All right, let's go ahead and put the blower resistor on. All right, so I'm having problems getting it up there, and I think it's the pad. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of this pad. I'm not cutting it off, I'm just cutting it so I can tuck it in underneath this. Like that. All right. right. Pretty close right there. Oh, I'm on it. I'm on that one. All right, so it's time to put the screws and bolts back in. All right, we have this one here. This one's gonna go here. These two are gonna go on the top. These are the hard ones, so I'm gonna put those in now. All right, so I'm gonna put it on the magnet first, just to get it up there. Then I'll turn it. All right, and then I'll just get my 10mm up there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that tight. There it is, that one's tight. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just need to get one thread on there. And I did it. All right, there we go. We got that. It's on. Tighten it up. All right, so this one goes up here. That wire goes there. And then it plugs in. Plugs in right there. All right. And this one connects into that one. All right, now we got this here. It's gonna come up. There you go. I've got one here. One here. I'm going to use that. Got that one. Got that one. So we got that. So now we just have the glove box here. Easiest way to do the glove box is to just go ahead and latch it on top. And then underneath here, just put those screws in. And our cover. There we go. We're all finished. Except for the engine compartment. Let's go there next. Word. All right, so next step is put this back in. Hard to see. Okay, that's on. That's tight. All right, so next we're gonna get those pipes in. All right, so I'm finishing up with the lines. I put some new O-rings in here. That one's tight. All right, that's tight. Couple more quick things here. Just put that in the bracket, it's in there. Now I need to head on down to the auto parts store and pick up a vacuum pump. They loan these out for free along with gauges if you need them. The vacuum pump will remove all the moisture out of the system and must be done before recharging. I'll add a link on this process here and at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.